If leaving a relationship feels harder than staying, even when you know it's hurting you, it's not because you're weak. It's because your nervous system learned that staying connected was safer than being alone. And that loyalty runs deep in the body. Welcome back. This is episode 4 of the Relationship Trauma series. Before we go any further, I want to name something. This is important. This video is not about pushing you to leave. It's not about forcing clarity. And it's not about judging yourself or your choices. It's understanding why your body resists letting go, even when your mind already knows. So if this feels tender, you're not doing it wrong. We'll move slowly. Many people describe this experience like this: I know this isn't good for me, but I can't leave. I've tried to go, but I keep going back. I feel stuck between knowing better and feeling unable. I'm exhausted, but the thought of leaving feels unbearable. And often the question underneath all that is, why can't I just walk away? Most people answer that question with shame, but shame is not the truth. Here's what's really happening. Your nervous system doesn't experience relationships as ideas. It experiences them as safety system. And if connection early in life meant survival, stability, belonging, emotional regulation, then staying connected became wired as necessary. So when a relationship begins to fall apart, even an unhealthy one, your nervous system doesn't register freedom, it registers threat. And threat of being alone, losing identity, losing regulation, losing attachment. And this is why leaving can feel like danger, not relief. Not because the relationship is good, but because the bond feels essential. And this is where many people get confused. They think if it hurts this much to leave, it must be love. But pain doesn't equal love. Intensity doesn't equal compatibility. And fear doesn't equal connection. So, what you may be feeling is trauma bonding. It's a nervous system attachment that's built through inconsistency, hope, fear, and longing. And trauma bonds are powerful, not because you're weak, but because they mimic early attachment patterns. And over time, this struggle can create a painful inner dialogue. What's wrong with me? Why am I like this? Why can't I be stronger? But the truth is this: your difficulty leaving isn't a failure of character. It's a reflection of how deeply your body values connection, even at a cost. And once you understand that, compassion replaces criticism. Let's pause together. Place one hand on your heart and one on your belly. And gently ask yourself, what does my body believe would happen if I fully let go? And you don't need words, sensations are enough. Your nervous system is communicating, it's not resisting. Now, here's the reframe that opens the door forward. Leaving doesn't require force, it requires safety. And safety is built gradually through understanding, support, and nervous system regulation. You don't have to rush your body where it isn't ready to go. You are not behind, you are not failing, you are learning to leave with compassion, not violence towards yourself. And in the next episode, we'll talk about something that's rarely acknowledged, and it's the grief that comes after relationships end. Not just for the person that you lost, but for the version of yourself you became while loving them. And this grief is real and it deserves space. You don't need to prove your strength by leaving quickly. Your strength is already here in your awareness, your honesty, and your willingness to understand yourself. I'll see you in the next video.